Do you want to add location on WhatsApp status? You can put your location on WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a location to your WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, tap on the update option at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see your friend's status and the channels that you follow. Now, at the top of the screen, tap on Add Status. A new screen will appear with your device gallery. Select a picture or video that you want to add with a location tag. You can also take a new photo using the camera feature. Now, at the top of the screen, you will see a sticker icon. Just tap on it. A new screen will appear with various stickers. From here, select the location sticker. Now, choose your nearest location or select your current location. You can adjust the sticker's position and size on your image. Once you are satisfied, tap the Send button to post your status. Now, your friends will see your tagged location in your current status.